All right, so is this cybersecurity?
No.
Is this cybersecurity?
No.
All right, so is this cybersecurity?
Of course not.
All right, so thousands of graduate, postgraduate, interns, or even IT professionals dream about getting into cybersecurity. But here is what they do: buy hacking courses,
The popular $5 course.
they watch YouTube videos, they set up the hacking machine, and they start hacking their mobile and laptops as well.
And sometimes their friend's laptop as well.
Now they think this is all needed to get a job in cybersecurity, right?
Wrong. You see thousands of folks get trapped into this funnel and they quit.
If you find the story familiar with yourself or maybe any of your friends, then watch this video till the end, as I'm going to tell you 7 practical steps to become security analyst in just 90 days. Let's first talk about cybersecurity domains. Cybersecurity is an activity of protecting informations and systems such as customer data, secret data, servers, computers, network, mobile devices, and many more. Now, depending on the skills and the responsibility, there are different types of cybersecurity job roles and the domains as well. Network security, who manage the perimeter security and of course the border security. They mainly take care of firewalls. SOC analyst, who monitor and respond security alerts. Threat hunters, who proactively perform the threat hunting. Digital forensic specialists. Now they are involved in the identification, extraction, and documentations of computer evidences. Security architect, they design and build the security solutions. Penetration tester, they basically test the system weaknesses to improve the overall organization security.
They are also called as ethical hackers.
GRC professionals, they are involved in risk assessment and security compliances. Let's understand who is security analyst. This video is about how to become security analyst.
But you will notice I didn't even talk about this role in the last section.
The reason is security analyst is a kind of an umbrella term and also confusing term most of the time. Let's do some exercise.
Visit any of your favorite job portal like Indeed.
Now search for opportunities with these job roles. You will see the number of open positions are good. They are not so bad.
Now search with security analyst job role.
The number of position looks crazy. Does it mean that we should only focus on security analyst jobs? Because we have more open position there, right? Here is the story. You see, the security analyst role is different in different organizations.
What?
Security analyst at security consulting firm or managed services companies works as a SOC analyst or as an incident responder. On the other hand, security analysts at multinational companies have to wear multiple hats. They might need to work in combination of penetration tester, vulnerability management, GRC analyst, security analyst, and some more. The bad news is you might get burned out if you don't know how to handle stress.
The good news is you will learn cybersecurity faster than anyone else.
Let's talk about the day-to-day of security analyst. As a security analyst, you will be involved in monitoring and incident response. Security analysts monitor security alerts and also respond to threats
Using SIM and EDR tools.
such as Splunk, IBM QRadar, Azure Sentinel, Logarithm, CrowdStrike EDR, Palo Alto XDR, and many more. Vulnerability scanning. They also conduct vulnerability scanning using tools such as Qualys, Tenable, Rapid7, and many more. Security audits. Security analysts can be involved in routine internal security audits and also support external security auditors for PCI DSS compliance, ISO 27001 audit, SOX audit, HIPAA compliance, etc. Finally, writing reports is the most common and critical activity for any security analyst. Alright, so let's talk about the 7 practical steps to get a security analyst job in 90 days.
Step number 1, get certification.
There are hundreds of certifications in the market, but I personally advise you to go for Security Plus by CompTIA.
CompTIA Security Plus has 5 modules.
First module is Attack, Threats, and Vulnerability. In this, you will learn about different cyber attacks and vulnerabilities. Second module is Architecture and Design. This modules talk about security design, solutions, and network architecture.
Third module is Implementation.
This module talk about cryptography, wireless, and other technologies. Fourth module is Operations and Incident Response. This module talks about security operations, threat management, threat hunting, and digital forensics. Fifth module is governance, risk, and compliance. This is where you will learn about risk management and compliances such as PCI DSS, SOX, HIPAA compliance, GDPR, FISMA, NEST, and many more. If you are ready to spend at least 2 to 3 hours each day, you can get Security Plus certified in 30 days.
Out of 90 days, you still have 60 days left. Let's talk about the second step.
Step number 2, learn blue team skills. Large organizations run blue team, red team exercises wherein red team are offensive security professionals who are expert in attacking systems and exploiting vulnerabilities, and also they are expert in breaking into defenses. On the other hand, blue team are defensive security professionals responsible for securing network from cyber attacks. Just a note here, only mature organizations run such attack simulations, wherein red team simulates the attack against the blue team to test the effectiveness of the security systems. In general term, ethical hacking and penetration testing belongs to the red team exercise. SOC, threat hunting, DFIR, and threat intelligence belongs to the blue team exercise.
To be very honest, Security Plus exam preparation can only give you the conceptual knowledge of red team and blue team exercises.
Now the problem is, how would you learn these skills until you don't get the job?
But the other problem is, why would someone hire you if you don't have hands-on experience with these tools?
This is a chicken and egg situation.
I have a solution.
Start building your own home lab to practice. Set up VirtualBox, install SIM tools, install EDR tools, threat hunting tools, and many more. Not sure how to get started?
You can follow me on LinkedIn where I share home labs every day.
If you are ready to spend 3 hours every day, you can learn basics of blue team exercise in 15 days.
45 days are over. We still have another 45 days left.
Step number 3 is learn offensive security. Offensive security is also called penetration testing or ethical hacking.
And in fact, it is the major part of red team exercise.
Your job would be to discover security vulnerabilities, exploiting them, and reporting it to the application owner or different stakeholders as well. You mostly be working on Burp Suite, OWASP, ZAP, or Metasploit framework. Some organizations have dedicated penetration testing team or a third-party penetration testing service provider.
In that case, your job would be to coordinate with them and validate the vulnerabilities and reports as well.
Come back to the topic. How can you learn offensive security?
To be really honest, there are already thousands of free resources available on YouTube.
But to keep yourself focused with the real world scenarios, you can follow my home labs on LinkedIn.
Just a note here, report writing is a very important part of penetration testing. So make sure you learn it well.
Finally, don't limit yourself just with the web application penetration testing. Rather, you should also focus on API pen testing and GraphQL pen testing as well.
I know it is very difficult to cover all of them. Try to have at least a basic knowledge and also try to have a knowledge about some of the common vulnerabilities.
Now spend at least 3 to 4 hours for next 30 days to cover offensive security.
I'm sure you will love step number 3. In 75 days, you can complete all 3 steps. We still have another 15 days left. Yes, we'll be working on some professional stuff now.
Step number 4, rework your LinkedIn profile. As per a report, around 87% of recruiters use LinkedIn to help them find candidates.
That's huge.
Upload a professional looking headshot, write a clear headline, write a precise about section, add projects, add certifications, and ask for recommendations.
You can download my free guide mentioned in the description.
You can finish this in 2 to 3 days. Step number 5 is build portfolio. Now this has 3 components. First, building your resume. Second is building your personal website. Third is building your GitHub repository.
Let's start with resume.
If you are a fresher, you can't really add any experience, but here are some tips. Write about your internship, add some home lab projects, add some catch the flag certifications from Try Hack Me or Hack the Box, add your certifications, and don't forget to add security skills.
If you are an IT professional, you can utilize your existing experience as well.
Second component is your personal website. Showcase your work with your personal website.
It also shows that you are passionate about what you do.
Third component is GitHub. Millions of people upload their open source code and learning on github.com. You should also upload your personal learning and home labs in the form of repository.
Trust me, it looks cool.
The entire process should be done within 5 to 6 days. Step number 6, hack your interview. After completing all these steps, you might be knowing about a lot of security definitions, tools, and technologies as well.
But preparing for the interview is a different game.
You might face some failures in the beginning, but take them as you're learning. Mainly prepare for 2 types of interview questions: technical questions and scenario-based questions. Technical questions can be about IT networking, about TCP/IP, about web application attacks, or maybe CIA trial.
You can find some of the most common questions from the guide I mentioned in the description below.
Second type of question is scenario-based questions. It could be about how do you detect and mitigate DDoS attack. Or question can be like this. You get an incident saying that your senior manager trying to access an unauthorized file. How would you handle the scenario? If you can spend at least 3 hours each day, you should be ready in 6 days. Number 7 is apply, and apply.
I'll be really honest, there is no magic in this game.
Keep applying for security analyst position on your local job portals. Don't forget to use LinkedIn jobs as well.
You can even start applying for the job from the 68th day itself, as this process takes time.
Alright, so I hope that was useful. If you have any questions, write your query in the comment section.
I'll personally try to answer each one of you.
If you are interested to know about how I can help you to get a security analyst job, then you can enroll my course and join my community. I want you to win this game and I'll be with you till the end. There is a separate course for complete beginner. The complete beginner who can be graduate or undergraduate or security intern who want to get into cybersecurity. And a dedicated course for IT professionals who could be network engineers, software testers, system admin, or software developer who want to get into cybersecurity job like security analyst. This is all for this video. This is Rajneesh Gupta signing off.